Hey guys, Richard here at eBike Reviews and Adventures. In this video, we want to talk a little bit about Black Friday deals, the holiday specials that are going on right now at Velotric. Now, they recently sent us these two bikes, the Velotric 2X, this is the Nomad 2X, and also the Breeze 1. Two brand new products that they started offering here just recently, and they've got them discounted right now for Black Friday for the holiday sales. So if you're looking for a gift for yourself or maybe for someone else, check them out because they are some really fantastic bikes, really good quality, so you get a lot for what you're paying for. Over here you got the Nomad 2X. It is a full suspension bike. It's got the dual sensors, it's got a powerful motor, really big battery, great components up here on the dash, just a great bike for riding it on the road or on the trail. So really enjoy this bike a lot. But then we also have the Breeze 1, which is more of a street cruising kind of bike because there's no fenders, there's no rear rack, you got thinner tires, but the same great components, dual sensor, both cadence and torque sensor, good long battery life to get you down the road, get you to the supermarket, you just get you cruising through the neighborhood, going down your favorite trail, whatever you'd like to do. This is a great bike for it. Now remember, check out Velotric Bike. Go over there, jump on their website. You'll find a link down below. Check out the deals they got going on now because they've got money off and they've also got some free accessories that they're giving out with some of their bikes as well. So go and check them out. Hey, here we are. We're going to go for a ride. Hope you enjoy it.